Etalex is pleased to present this video in order to help you install the E-Series Gondola shelving. We recommend that you assemble the shelving following the instructions in the installation manual. To properly install the shelving, you will need a drill, a laser level, a level, a rubber mallet, a leveler key. Here's how you install the E-Series Island Gondola shelving. First, before starting the installation, please ensure you have all the necessary parts: HD end post, HD center post, plain metal back 7 1/4 inch high, perforated solid metal back 14 1/2 inch high, base shelf, kick plate or shoe guard. Before starting the installation, choose the location for your shelves, taking into consideration the location of the lights and the load-bearing beams in the room. Mark this spot by tracing a line on the ground. Lay down the end posts along this line, one on each end, as well as the center posts at the location where you've chosen to install the shelving. Then, place the kick plates and the metal backs on the floor. It's crucial that the post and foot are leveled and plumb. To ensure this, the front leveling screw on the foot should be adjusted to 1/2 inch and the rear leveling screw should be adjusted to 1/4 inch. This step needs to be done properly to avoid any future problems. Then we need to install the front and rear backs. To do this, make sure the welded parts of the posts are facing each other in order to slide in the back on each side, front and rear. Start with the 7 1/2 inch high plain metal back with the convex edge at the top. Make sure it is properly put in place. Install the kick plates. Ensure that it is completely seated in its own slotting. Next, you insert the upper 14 1/2 inch perforated metal backs. Note that the bottom edge of the back is concave and the top edge of the back is convex, allowing the backs to fit into each other. Install all the 14 1/2 inch perforated metal backs before continuing. At this stage, you'll need to level the posts vertically. Adjust the front base foot leveling screw until the structure is leveled. Once this step is completed, it is very important to make sure that the unit's horizontal line is leveled and plumb. To do this, we suggest using the laser level. Once the gondola is level, adjust the rear base foot leveling screw so that it simply touches the ground. Then, install the base shelves on both sides of the gondola. Now we've reached the final step. For this, make sure you have the following items: left shoe cover, right shoe cover, top cap, brackets, upper shelves. To finish, install the left and right shoe covers and the standard finishing top cap at the top of the shelves. Then install the shelf brackets and the upper shelves. Instead of the kick plate, you can also use the shoe guard. Slide the shoe guard at the front of each foot. The shoe guard on the end post is different from that of the center posts. For all technical support, please feel free to call Etalex at 1-800-351-3125 or 514-351-2000. For your safety, please use the installation manual provided by Etalex.